In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable WebGL in Chrome if a website, browser game, 3D tool, or interactive app isn't displaying properly. WebGL may need to be enabled in your browser settings. The good news is that this only takes a few minutes, and I'll walk you through the process clearly from start to finish. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, move to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. From that menu, select Settings. This will open Chrome's main settings page where you can adjust how the browser handles performance and advanced features. Next, look to the left-hand menu inside Settings and click System. This section controls hardware-related browser options. In the System settings, find the option labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If it's turned off, go ahead and toggle it on. This setting allows Chrome to use your computer's graphics hardware, which is important for features like WebGL to work properly and more smoothly. After enabling that setting, click Relaunch. Chrome will restart so the change can take effect. Let the browser reopen fully before moving on to the next part. Now click into the address bar at the top of Chrome, type Chrome//flags, and press Enter. This page contains experimental and advanced browser options, so it's a place where you should only change the settings you specifically need. At the top of the flags page, you'll see a search bar. Type WebGL into that search field. Chrome will filter the available flags and show WebGL related options. Look through the results and locate WebGL draft extensions and WebGL developer extensions. These are the two options you'll need to adjust. For each one, click the drop-down menu next to it and change the setting from default to enabled. Be sure both of them are set to enabled before continuing. Once you've changed both settings, a blue relaunch button will appear at the bottom right of the page. Click that button to restart Chrome one more time and apply the changes. After Chrome relaunches, WebGL should now be enabled with those additional WebGL options turned on. If a site was not working before, try reloading it after the browser restarts. Also, if you still run into issues, make sure Chrome is up to date and that your computer's graphics drivers are working correctly, since WebGL depends on hardware acceleration. And that's it. You've successfully enabled WebGL in Chrome.